2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, front floor mats, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, power windows, bed liner, MP3 player, electronic stability control, passenger airbag. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.